Hey YouTube, it's me, Caleb with Caleb Schmaltz Vacuums. I actually got a new vacuum cleaner today at a local flea market for $10. It was Jamie's Flea Market. I got a Hoover wind tunnel, self-propelled. It's an older model, but heck, $10, you can't beat that. There it is. I also got a pack of microfiltration bags. I still like 4 to 5 of them left. And 2 brand new Hoover 40201170 belt. So, anyways, let's get this thing going. Got excellent suction. Let's begin. The turbo brush. There's your dirt finder. There's your bag full indicator. There's your brand new micro-lined triple ply type Y bag. Whoops, sorry there. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And it says on the bag top, remanufactured in 2010 to 05. Anybody know how old this is? Please let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.